Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make the grit stitch. This pattern is an alternating of two basic stitches, single crochet and double crochet. It's very fun and easy to memorize, perfect for absolute beginners and countless projects. So let's get started. We are going to start with a slip knot, like so, and we're going to chain. So the stitch is a multiple of 2 plus 1 plus 2 for the foundation chain. So I'm going to chain 16 plus 1, 17 plus 2 for the foundation chain, 19. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're going to work in the back of our chain. This is the front of the chain, the back. See those little bars here? We're going to work in those little bars. So we're going to skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we're going to work in the third, which will be 1, 2. We're going to work here and we're going to make a double crochet. The 2 chain that we skipped before, they count as a stitch. So this will be a single crochet for us, and then we made a double crochet. Now we're going to skip 1 chain, and in the next we're going to make a single crochet. In the same stitch we are going to make a double crochet. We skip 1 chain, we're going the next, and we make a single crochet. In the same stitch we are going to make a double crochet. So that's basically what you're going to do all this row. You skip 1 chain, you make a single crochet and a double crochet together in the next. I will finish my row and I will meet you before the end. I'm almost at the end. I still have 4 more chains to work on it, and I'm gonna skip this one. I'm going in the next, and I'm making a single crochet. In the same stitch, a double crochet. I skip a chain, and in the last one we're going to make a single crochet. We're going to start and finish from now on with a single crochet. Now we turn our work and we start the second row, which is the row that you're going to use for as much as you like. We chain 1. This chain 1 counts as a stitch. It will be our single crochet. In the same stitch where we chain, we're going to make a double crochet. We skip 1 chain, and in the next we are going to make a single crochet, and in the same stitch a double crochet. We skip a chain, we go in the next, and we make a single crochet. In the same stitch we're going to make a double crochet. we skip a chain. In the next, we're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. And that's what you're going to do to the end of the row. I'm going to finish the row and I'll meet you there. I'm almost at the end. I have 4 more stitches left, and so I'm going to skip this one. I'm going in the next. I make my single crochet and a double crochet together in the same stitch. Now we have 2 stitches left. I skip one, and in that chain that we did before our single crochet, we're going to make a single crochet. Like so. Now we turn our work and we chain 1, and we repeat like we did before. The chain 1 is our single crochet. In the same stitch where we chain, we're going to make a double crochet. We skip 1 stitch and we go in the next, and we make a single crochet. In the same stitch we are going to make a double crochet, and we repeat this pattern for as much as we like. Skip 1, single crochet in the next, and double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1, single crochet in the next, and double crochet, and that's how it looks like, our pattern. I made just a few more rows. That's how it looks like. Basic, simple stitches, but with a beautiful texture. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. It will make a huge difference. See you next time. Bye.